Why wedding gown alterations matter? Wedding gown alterations are an essential part of the process when preparing for your wedding day. Unlike everyday clothing, a wedding gown is a special, once-in-a-lifetime piece that needs to fit you perfectly to make you feel and look your best. A gown that's tailored to your exact measurements can highlight your unique features and provide a sense of confidence and comfort that is crucial for your wedding day. While many bridal gowns are designed in standard sizes, they are rarely a perfect fit right off the rack. Bodies vary greatly in shape and proportions, and wedding gowns are often made to a general size template, which may not align with your specific measurements. Whether it's adjusting the bust, waist, hips, or the length of the gown, alterations allow you to customize the dress to your exact body, ensuring a flawless and comfortable fit. Proper alterations can also enhance the design of the gown, adding a personal touch that elevates the dress's appearance. Small adjustments, like taking in the seams or shortening the hem, can significantly improve the overall look, making the gown feel like it was made just for you. Additionally, alterations can help improve the overall functionality of the gown. If your dress is too loose or too tight in certain areas, it can hinder movement or feel uncomfortable, making it difficult to fully enjoy your day. A well-fitted dress will allow you to move freely, walk comfortably, and dance with ease. In addition to fitting adjustments, alterations can be used to enhance the gown's design. A dress might require additional beading, lace details, or even the addition of a sleeve or neckline adjustment to match your personal style. Altering the gown can also help it complement your wedding theme, venue, and accessories. Whether you're going for a more dramatic, modern, or vintage look, the right alterations will make your dress feel like it was made specifically for you. Furthermore, alterations can also help ensure that your gown looks polished and perfect for the occasion. A tailored dress will not only fit better, but will also help avoid wardrobe malfunctions, such as slipping straps or an ill-fitting bodice. These alterations ensure that every aspect of your gown works in harmony, from the fit to the drape of the fabric, creating a look that's elegant, comfortable, and perfectly suited to your body. Ultimately, wedding gown alterations matter because they help you achieve the ideal look, feel confident, and fully enjoy your wedding day. After all, your wedding gown is meant to be a reflection of your personality and beauty, and the right alterations will make sure it truly shines. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family, or with any upcoming bride.